Hello viewers, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail by using AI. So without talking, let's get started. Okay, first you have to open a web browser and go to ChatGPT. And you have to type what I type in here. Okay, AI gives us a prompt. Now copy the prompt and open a new tab. Search Leonardo AI. Click the first link appeared. Now click on Get Started. Now click on Image. And next you have to select the size to 16:9 and paste the prompt we copied here and click Generate. You can see beautiful thumbnails were created. You can download these thumbnails by clicking here. Okay, now I'm gonna end my video. So if you like this video, please smash the like button and click the subscribe button, and please help me to achieve the 500 subscribers. If you help me, I give a Q&A special video. So goodbye.